Hi, today's video is going to be about liver health. 3 herbs that you're going to need for liver health. So let's get into this video. So, okay, now right here we have Bupleurum Root. Okay, so this is a Chinese herb, and it is used for liver stagnation. It's responsible for regulating energy flow throughout the body. It is great for, it's crucial for vitality, stability, both physically and emotionally. This is also good for stress, any type of stress on the body. This is also used for PMS. This is also used for liver rejuvenation. This is used as a liver detox. This also is, when I say this is, you've heard about milk thistle, okay? This is milk thistle seeds. You've heard about dandelion root, okay? So what do we know about milk thistle? Milk thistle, what this does for the liver is strong antioxidant, helps to promote liver cell regeneration, reduces inflammation, protects against liver disease, also great anti-cancer. This right here is one of the most popular things, and it also promotes bile for the liver, okay? Now, this is one of the #1 things. Anytime you hear about liver health, you hear about milk thistle, okay? Now, let's talk about dandelion root real quick. Stimulating, decongesting, has a wonderful effect on the liver, also used as a liver detox. Stimulates bile production, also good for the digestion. It's great for a sluggish liver, and it also helps to detox the liver and the kidneys. Now, let's get back to Bupleurum root. Okay, so most people don't know about this root at all. This is, like I said, this is used in Chinese medicine. It boosts immunity. It helps with liver problems. It's a fever reducer. This root right here, you don't hear enough about it. If I had to choose between the 3 of these roots, it would definitely be this root right here. Okay, this also helps with liver cirrhosis. This helps to regenerate cells. This herb right here, we just don't hear enough about it. It is native to East Asia, used for over 2,000 years in Chinese medicine, okay? The root is just, you just don't hear enough about it. So I wanted to make sure that everybody knew about this root. This also helps to increase the lymphatic system, helps break down and abnormal cells in the body, destroy impaired proteins that may exist in the cells. This right here is so powerful. It's anti-cancer, okay? There have been several studies done on this root. This is new in the game. A lot of people don't know about this. It's new. It's kind of new to Western medicine. But when I tell you, do not sleep on this root. These are 3 herbs that you will definitely need for liver health. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.